Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to Monday's Daily Financial Review. Here's what's making the headlines in the markets today.
In the days to come, the economic calendar will unveil key data points that investors will be closely analyzing. Each event may bring new insights, influencing market positioning and trading sentiment. Staying tuned to market responses after these releases will be important. A clear, informed strategy can help navigate potential fluctuations in trading.
Those were today's major economic events. And now, moving on to world financial headlines.
Gold prices fell by 1% to end last week, weighed down by uncertainty over another US Federal Reserve interest rate cut this year, but the metal remained poised for a third straight monthly gain. US gold futures for December delivery settled 0.5% lower. 8 OPEC Plus countries on Sunday agreed to raise oil output in December by 137,000 barrels per day, and then to pause the output hikes for the first quarter of 2026, OPEC Plus said in a statement. The Japanese yen faced a monthly loss against the US dollar after the Bank of Japan disappointed traders hoping for a more hawkish stance on future rate hikes, while the Federal Reserve dampened expectations for a December rate cut.
Coming up, the choices from our chief analysts for today.
The dollar-yen price remained largely unchanged in the last session. The MACD is giving a positive signal. The Bitcoin-dollar pair traded sideways in the last session. The Williams indicator is giving a positive signal. The Aussie-dollar pair made a minor downwards correction in the last session, dropping 0.1%. The ROC is giving a positive signal. After a 1.4% dip during the last session, the oil-dollar pair closed 0.9% in the green. The Ultimate Oscillators is giving a negative signal.
We hope that you've enjoyed Monday's financial review. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.